I'm Jennifer Shaheen, founder and president of Technology Therapy Group. And today I want to talk to you about how important it is for you to plan out your marketing. And the trick to planning your marketing is one word: theme. That's right. Now, for me, a theme allows you to stay focused. So I guess there's two words there, right? I recommend that you outline your objectives for your products or services and think about a theme that makes sense to connect them together. By focusing on a theme, what it will do is it will unlock your mind to ideas for content, for social posts, for videos, what testimonials you might want to look back toward. When you use a central topic, it makes it so much easier for you to understand what products and services can connect on that. So as you're moving forward and you're thinking through, here's an example. In a recent mentor session, we were thinking about months ahead. And one of the months ahead, she said to me, well, February. And I said, love. And that's it. We focused the entire month on love. We talked about how her services could be related to love. And she's in a particular area that focuses on self-care. So we talked about how you love yourself, how we talk to ourselves. We used the entire session to walk through all these different ways we could create content for that month. And you know what the best thing about it was? We not only realized that this was a great topic for the month, but it's also what's called an evergreen topic, meaning it doesn't just have to be used in February. We could use this another time. We took that and then built each month after, and we came up with a theme for every month and then outlined a blog post for every week in that month, which then built out social media ideas and content we'll be creating. So that's it. That's the trick, right? When we find a theme to focus on, it really does allow us to just open our minds up and riff on ideas and unblocks us so that we can really feel good about the marketing that we're about to put out in the months ahead. And then, of course, it gives us a topic that we can look back to and see, did people resonate with this concept? Did they like this theme? Did they like our messages? So the secret tip, create a theme, because not only does it allow your end user, your audience member, to have a clear message the entire month, but it will give you something to check against from a metrics perspective to see what's connecting with them. For more tips and tricks, stop by technologytherapy.com or book a mentor session. We'd love to help take your business to the next level.